Hi everyone, so we're here at Cisco Live EMEA and I'm delighted to be speaking to Richard Simmons. Thank you for taking some time.
That's right, my pleasure.
You were on stage earlier this week with Denise Lee talking all about sustainability and why it's important for businesses. Could you please share with us some of the highlights of your presentation, particularly around the Noble Foods example?
Yeah, so I think Noble Foods for us is a really important example of how we can work with our customers. So Andrew and the team at Noble Foods are really committed to sustainability. When we first started working with them, we went through really the full life cycle that we've been talking about here, that we mentioned in the presentation, ran some education around what we can do with the network. We did some evaluation using our insight service to give them a really good baseline about their level of carbon currently in the network.
Yeah.
And then that enabled us to work with the team to identify some areas where through refresh and through some redesign, we could make a real impact. And we implemented a new solution. It made sense, they were saving money. But more importantly, once that solution was in, because of the lower power, because of the way we could remotely monitor it, could power things down overnight, they managed to decrease their carbon footprint, increase the performance that they had, and make a real tangible saving in the level of carbon. So the project was successful financially, that it would make business sense.
Yeah.
But for Andrew and the team, it also would allow IT to go back to the business and say, through us doing this, through the way we've designed it, the way we've managed it, here is a tangible saving of 16 tons of carbon every year that is saving from our sustainability. So it was successful on both areas. And then from that, we're now able to look at what the next thing is we can do, and we're constantly monitoring that solution, but also now looking at what the next things are. So it was a really positive collaboration.
Brilliant. So to other customers out there that want to do a similar thing, Logicalis offer a sustainability assessment, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can do two things. We have an assessment where we can come in and we can just help provide a bit of education around how you want to set this up, how, especially for an IT team, what the sustainability means and how you can work. And then that goes through to that evaluation piece where, yes, we can look directly at your current infrastructure and give you that baseline of what level of carbon is in there, what level of power you're using, to really help you with a firm foundation then for any of the initiatives afterwards. Go.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for spending some time with us, Richard, and enjoy the final moments of Cisco Live.
Thank you very much. Thank you.